How to fix Slack channel not showing. So if a channel you frequently use suddenly vanished from your Slack sidebar, or a teammate says they added you to a new room, but you can't see it anywhere, don't worry. Most of the time the channel is simply hidden by a sidebar filter, archived, or stuck in a cache glitch. So I'm going to show you how to find and restore missing channels step by step. Right, so firstly guys, make sure that your sidebar isn't hiding channels automatically. So look at your left sidebar near the top, and if your view is set to display only unread messages, any channel without active new pings will completely disappear from view. So click on the channels at the top of your sidebar to expand the full list. If it's still missing, you just may have accidentally left it or haven't officially joined it yet. So press Ctrl-Shift-L on Windows, like this, to open the channel browser, and then type in the missing channel name into the search bar, click on it and hit Join Channel to pin it back to your sidebar. So in my case, as you can see, I have these tests once created. As you can see in my case, the button already says joined, and the only thing I can do is leave. But in your case, you will have leave and the button will turn into join, so just press on it. If you can't find the channel in the browser at all, you need to double check your active workspace. So look at the far left edge of your screen. If your organization uses multiple workspace icons, make sure you are clicked into the correct one, as channel never cross over between separate workspaces. If you are in the right place, the channel owner or admin may have archived it. So inside the channel browser, click the filter icon and check the box for archived channels. For that, you just press filters, under channel types, you choose archived, and then go search like this. And the last thing you can do is you just press Ctrl-R to trigger this hard refresh of the interface. And if this still doesn't pull through, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and then choose Clear Cache and Restart here. This might clear out some of the redundant files, clear your cache, and possibly bring back whatever you need. Simple as that. Enjoy guys, and subscribe.